This is Derek Wilder with Virtuemart Shipping, and in this video tutorial you're going to learn how to apply flat rate shipping to your products. So the first thing we need to do is log into the back of Joomla and then click on Components and then Virtuemart. Now once we're into Virtuemart, simply click on Store and now click on Shipping Module List. And you'll see there's a green check mark by Ship Item Specific Shipping Method. And this is the one we just installed. So click on Configure Ship Method. Now you are into the Virtuemart Components Shipping Module Configuration. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on Configure Product Specific. Then we're going to click on Add New SKU Shipping Rate. What this allows us to do is add flat rate shipping to each one of your products. So we're going to put the product SKU in here first. So in our case we're going to put H01, which is a nice saw, and then we're going to make the base shipping charge $3. We are going to add into this row additional charge for multiple items of the same product. We're going to put $2. So what this means is if they purchase one item of a nice saw, you're going to charge $3 in shipping. If they buy multiple items of the same product, each additional item is going to be charged a flat rate of $2. Then click Add. And that's all there is to it. You can see your product SKU of H01 is right here. The base shipping rate of $3 and an additional charge for multiples of the same product is $2 each. So now we're going to add another product. This time we're going to add a power saw. The SKU number for a power saw is P04. And for this one, we are going to make the base shipping price $4, and the additional charges for each item we will make $3. And then we will click Add. Now you notice that we have both items in your shipping module configuration. Here you have the nice saw, and here you have the power sander. So now what we're going to do is go to the front end and see how this works. So now you see we have our cart loaded with one nice saw and one power sander. And if you remember, one nice saw would get a charge of $3 for flat rate shipping, and one power sander would get a charge of $4 for flat rate shipping. So we'll click on Checkout, and then we'll click Next. Now you'll see the shipping and handling cost for these items is $7. $3 for the nice saw and $4 for the power sander. So now we're going to see how the multiples of the same item works. So we're going to change the nice saw to 2. Click Next. Now we have $9 for the flat rate shipping. That's $3 for the first item of a nice saw, $2 for the additional item for a total of $5, and then $4 for one item of the power sander, and that's a total of $9. Now we will add additional power sander. So we'll put 2 in the power sander, click Next, and now we have $12. Again, the first item of the nice saw was $3, the additional item was 2, that's 5, and the power sander, the first item is $4, that's 9, and the additional item is $3. So that's 12. Now, of course, any additional items you add to here will just multiply the quantity times $2 for the nice saw, or an extra $3 for each item for the power sander. That concludes our tutorial for base shipping charges with multiples of the same product. In the next video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize the flat rate shipping for each of the quantities in your cart for each product.